Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can manage expenses in Sage HR. So let's get started. Managing expenses in Sage HR is simple and efficient. The platform helps businesses handle expense claims, approve company-related purchases, and reimburse employees for work-related spending. You can access the Expenses module through either the Sage HR mobile app or the web version. To create a new expense claim, start by entering the expense date and selecting the appropriate category from your company's approved list, such as parking, travel, or meals. Next, enter the expense amount, choose the correct currency, and select the payment method used. To support your claim, upload proof of the expense. This can be an image file or a photo of the receipt taken directly from your phone. Once your expenses are recorded, you can review the list and select the claims you want to submit for approval. After submission, managers receive a notification through email, the web platform, or the mobile app, allowing them to review and approve the request. When the reimbursement has been processed, the employee can be notified that the payment has been completed. All expense information is stored within the system, making it easy to track records and generate reports whenever needed. Sage HR provides a convenient way to manage expense claims from submission to approval and reimbursement, helping businesses keep their expense process organized and transparent. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.